A video showed Russian servicemen deliver humanitarian aid to the residents of liberated settlement in Lugansk People's Republic. Igor Konashenkov, Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson, said that the settlement is currently inhabited by 15 families. The rest of the houses have been robbed and burned by the armed forces of Ukraine. Local complains that Ukrainian servicemen have taken away 11 vehicles, cars, motorbikes, and bicycles. People have been starving for a while week because the shops are closed. Russian servicemen have delivered grocery kits, hygiene items, and medical supplies. In the other place, President of Ukraine Zelensky stated that he will always fight for the countries. He insists to change and bring the country from the sadness to the happiness. Everything changed for Ukraine. For 4 months, we become a country in army boots, a country in a tanks, aircraft, ships, a country with a strangers and shelters. Our way of life changed, but not our worldwide. The path on which we are going to the global change, but the goal remained the same, says Zelensky in his official telegram. Zelensky stated that he will build Ukraine as a new beautiful country to live. We are fighting for our freedom in our land. We are fighting for the future of our children and grandchildren, for their life and opportunity to build a new Ukraine, Zelensky said.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.